Hey guys, it's your girl meshewang and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. Did you know that when a person does something like this or open their arms, it means that they are inviting you in? Yes, it's a sign to say that you're somewhat comfortable with the person, and so they may do this. However, when somebody is not comfortable around you or not wanting to invite you into their space, they're kind of like off, or they are not sitting in towards you or standing in towards you. They're more like out and off, away from you. Like if you're there and I'm sitting like this, that clearly shows that I am not comfortable with you. I'm not comfortable around you, and my body language is saying just that. Alright, so I started off with this chatting because I'm about to do a chit chat. Get ready with me. I am doing my makeup. It's a Friday and I'm doing my makeup for that reason. I'm not going anywhere really. I'm just doing my makeup. So this will be a no eyeshadow makeup look. I'm hot. This will be a no eyeshadow makeup look, but I'll be doing some chit chat. I won't be doing any regular chit chat. It will be something meaningful. So today I am going to be talking about or giving you 10 tips or 10 pointers on what you can do when you want to spend alone time. And I am big on alone time because I am a Libra. Even though I really don't believe in the signs, having persons acting a certain way and all, I am a Libra. I don't know if other Libras are like that. You can let me know, the other Libras on here. You can definitely let me know if this is something that Libras do or most Libras do, or October people in general. But yeah, I love alone time. And so I'm gonna share with you some things that I do or some other things that you can do when you want to have alone time. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Alright, so tip 1 for when you want to spend alone time is going for a walk. I mean, I can attest to this. I usually walk or run, and it is just so very good. Like I spend alone time like walking. Just like I am a nature person. I love nature. I love admiring the beauty of nature. I love admiring trees. Like not really sitting down and just looking at the trees, but like just being in the presence of nature. It gives you such a refreshing feeling. Gives you such a refreshing feeling, guys. That's number 1 on my list of things to do when you want to have some alone time, is to go for a walk. It can be in the morning before the sun is up, or it can be in the evening time when the sun is down, because nobody wants to be walking in the sun. That drains your energy and all of that. So number 1 is go for a walk. And have you ever tried working out before the start of your day? Like that gives you like, it just make you want to go. I think that when you work out in the morning, it just make you want to like, you feel like you can accomplish anything when you work out in the mornings. I wish I could work out some more in the morning before I start my day. I've done it before, and that's the best. Alright, so number 2 on my list, and I'm finished with the color correcting. I'm gonna add some my Maybelline foundation on my face, and this is the shade 360. Alright, so number 2 on my list is to try to cook a new dish. Like for all of my cooking persons on here, you can do that. I am not a I'm not a fan of the kitchen. I'm a fan of my belly though. I love to eat, but I really don't love to cook. But whenever I like, sometimes you know you're in your mood to just look after something nice. Yeah. Whenever I'm in that mood, like I try to cook something like something that I've never cooked before. Or like something that is like definitely outside of my comfort zone, like outside of rice and chicken. Let's cook something. Try to cook a new dish. So that's number 2 on my list. Try to cook something. Try to create a different dish, something different. And also, whenever I go to the restaurants, I told myself, listen, I'm gonna try shrimp pasta at every restaurant that I go to. Because of that, I really limit myself on what I eat when I do go out. So I think I'm going to officially right now break that. I've tried pasta at every restaurant that I've been to. Every restaurant that I've been to. I'm now going to close that. I'm now going to end that pact that I made, that I'm going to try pasta across Jamaica. And I've only had pasta at Red Lobster abroad in the US. Never had pasta anywhere else in the US before. But shrimp pasta, and it has to be shrimp pasta specifically because I love shrimp. But yeah, I'm going to break that pact because I am limiting myself by eating only one thing whenever I go to these restaurants. So I'm gonna be trying something more. Okay. 3 on my list is read a book. This is one of my biggest hobbies, or one of the things that I believe in extensively is reading. Reading maketh a man. I used to hear that saying growing up. Alright, so number 4 on my list is to take a long bath. Just think about it. Think about you lying in the tub, water, music. Just think about how calming that can be. I did a course one with Liakim Simach, and he said one of the ways that you can de-stress, or something that can get your mind just in a good place, is to use your imagination. So he said to us, imagine that you're on the North Coast. Guys, I want you to close your eyes and listen to what I'm saying, because this is what I'm going to be doing now, right? And tell me in the comments how you feel after doing this. Close your eyes. Imagine that you're on the North Coast, or for persons outside of Jamaica, imagine that you're on a beach, lying down on the sand or one of those beach chairs. You have your table beside you with your favorite drink on the table. You have your book beside you if you are a reader, and you're laying down on your towel under a palm tree or under a tree, and the breeze is just blowing. The wind is just blowing, and you can hear the waves crashing against the sand. But you're just lying there. How does that make you feel, guys? Did you realize how my voice went down a while ago? Because it just felt so relaxing just doing that. And that's something that I like to try to do sometimes when I get stressed, or I don't know, sometimes that's just something that I like to do. Just imagine the power of imagination. And whenever I feel stressed, that is something that I always try to do. It's just imagine me being somewhere that I just want to be, that I just love to be. Right, so imagine yourself when you're in the hot bath. Just imagine yourself doing that. Number 5 write in your journal. Now this is something that I'd usually do when I was younger. I don't have a journal now, and I know this might sound like a kiddies thing, but it's not. It's one way to help you to connect with yourself or to reconnect with yourself, writing in your journal. So if you don't have a journal, then get a journal and just write your thoughts. It's one way to remember how a day went. I keep diaries with me. Every year I try to have a diary, and I'd usually write down how I'm feeling or what is happening on a particular day. It might be what shift I was working for that day. And like when I look back at those diaries at the end of the year or at the end of the 2 years, and I look back in the diary, sometimes I smell it myself because I remember how I was feeling at a particular time. I remember what I was going through at a certain time because of what I'd written in my diary. So get yourself a journal and write down whatever. It may be anything, you know. Write something in your diary, especially if you're not one of those persons where you have friends or family that you can talk to like that. Talk to your journal. Alright, so we're now at number 6, and I just did my contour. I'm now gonna set my face. Number 6 is to catch up on your favorite series. Like binge watching Netflix. I don't know. Do I need to say much more than that? Like, that's the ultimate spending time alone thing to do. Alright, so number 7 is to watch an inspiring TED Talk. And this is something that I practice, to watch those TED Talks. I really like those where experts talk on a certain topic. So like you go on YouTube and you see those inspirational talks or persons talking about whatever topic it may be. It may be a topic on education, on science, on technology. Those are TED Talks, and these are things that I love to listen to. When I watch those in the mornings to start off my day, just get me motivated to start my day. So guys, these are things that you can do to spend time with yourself. Listen to these TED Talks. Everybody needs motivation sometimes, everybody. And so this is a great way to spend your alone time, by listening to TED Talks. 8 on my list is to meditate. Like, I need to say more. Meditate. This is a very good way to spend your alone time because it helps you to gather your thoughts. You know, sometimes you need to slow down and think about yourself, think about your life. Where are you going? Are you going where you intended on going? Are you going in the direction that you set for yourself? Just sit down, motivate, meditate. Number 9 is get a massage. Like, that is one of the most relaxing things ever. Plus, it helps you with spending time by yourself. So I'm about to set. But number 10 on my list is to unplug. Turn all of these things that keeps you connected, all the social media, like, get rid of them. Not get rid of them forever, because I don't want anybody to get heart attack now, but unplug while you spend your alone time. And this is something that I love to do. Love to unplug. Just gather myself. I'm gonna set with my Mario Badescu. So guys, those are my top 10 things that you can do when you want to spend your alone time. Tell me how you feel about these tips that I just gave you. Let me hear it in the comments down below if there's any one of them that you practice or whichever one of them you practice, then go ahead and let me hear it in the comments, guys. Don't be afraid to let me hear it in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I need your support. Get me to 1K subscribers, now at 667, and you can do that by sharing my video with persons with whom you know like these kind of contents. And I am thinking that I need to incorporate more chit chat in my videos, and I'm big on inspiration. I'm big on lifting others up, and so this is one of the things that I decided that I'm going to do, is to incorporate these kind of inspirational or motivational talks or tips, pointers in my videos. Let me know if you like this kind of thing. I'm trying to do less voiceover and more actual talking through my videos. I'm usually not doing talk throughs because my house is just so very noisy, but I'm trying. See what I just said? But I'm trying, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl meshewang, Team Wang Fam. Comment Team Wang Fam. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.